Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today we are going to be doing another review, unboxing of another air fryer. Now this company actually sent one to me before, but it was a little over one, like a 4-quart. I did an unboxing on that. That's also on my channel, which was a legit good air fryer, but this time they sent me a 6.8 or almost a 7-quart, so it's much larger. We're going to be able to fit a lot more. Unbox it, give it a a review, and we're going to put it to the test, see how this thing turns out. Some awesome chicken wings, and if it looks anything like the front of the box, I haven't opened it yet. If it looks anything like the front of the box, it's going to look very slick, so I can't wait to actually open it and see it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so this is what they sent me. This is the picture. I hope it looks exactly like that. I'm sure it will. But that's going to be awesome. That's the back of the box. This is actually the front of the box. Got the family with the air fryer having a good time. Yay. So what we're going to do is go ahead and I might ready, but we're going to go ahead and open this thing up, and we're just going to see first of all, what it comes with, all that good stuff. And I like the packaging. I mean, the box is nice, everything's nice. I know the last one came with a 5-year warranty, so that's really awesome. Let me go and just open it up, and just right off the bat, take a look. Of course, it comes with guides and cookbooks and stuff like that. And this is going to be the tray here that goes in, and everything else is in styrofoam. I know you can't really see it too well, but it's just styrofoam, whatnot. So actually what I'm going to do, there's nothing else to take out on top. Alright, so what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go ahead and take this thing out of the box, and then I'll be right back and we'll go through it. Alright guys, so I got it out of the box. Pretty simple. There was nothing else in the box. It was just the air fryer. It's pretty big. It's got this right here. Once we turn it on, you can see through. It's got the basket, which is nice, and then the tray that goes in it. So that's pretty basic. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to take it over here to the counter because it's a little bit bigger. And then we're actually going to plug it in, go through some of the functions which are here on top, and then we're going to cook some chicken wings and see how they turn out. See you in a minute. Alright guys, so I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like sitting on the countertop. There can't do much with it here. What I did do is take the basket out here, wash it off with some warm soapy water, and ran it for about 20 minutes on 400 just to kind of get all that manufacturer's oil and stuff off of it. So what we're going to do actually, because all the functions, that you can see, but are up on top here. So I'm actually going to zoom in and see if we can get you a little closer. Alright guys, so what I did is actually I took you up top. Here is the power button, and I'm going to show you actually what the interface looks like. So hopefully you can see that pretty good. Anyway, so we've got air fry, bake, roast, broil. Here's your time function, up and down. Your temperature settings, it does go up to, I think roast or broil, it goes up to 450. Dehydrate, menu, preheat. It does have a light function where you can see your food cooking. And then here, if you hit menu, it has your different preheats for fries, poultry, steak, seafood, bacon, vegetables. So pretty easy. All your functions are right here. It's really easy to use. So what we're going to do, because there's really not much more to talk about, I just want to see how this thing works, is we are going to do some chicken wings. Alright, so I'll be right back. We're going to throw these bad boys in and see how it goes with the chicken wings. See you in a minute. Alright guys, as promised, we're going to be doing some chicken wings. Nothing special. I just got 13, a baker's dozen, 13 of these things. Just season them up with some chicken seasoning, with salt, pepper, garlic, a couple things. Not a big deal. I just want to see how this thing cooks. This is usually my first test that I do to see how evenly it cooks, and we'll get the wings crispy. So I'm going to take this basket out. Alright, we're going to put the chicken wings in. This is also going to see how many they can actually fit in here. It looks like it should easily hold the 13 that I have for sure. Oh, love me some wings. That's one thing an air fryer absolutely has to do. Cook evenly and make some amazing wings. So I got 13 here, 14, 15, 16. You could probably get about 18 wings in there or something, so that's not bad. So we got the wings in there. Let's go ahead and put it back in. All right, we got it in, and you've seen the menu, how easy it was. We'll go ahead and hit the power button. For the time, we'll just put it up to 20 minutes, and the temperature's over here, super easy, 400. We're gonna go ahead and hit start, and it's on air fry, so we're using the air frying function. So 20 minutes, 400, we're gonna see what we got. We'll see you in a minute. All right guys, real quick, one of two things. One, it's running, there's about 12 minutes left, so I just wanted to, show you, it's not loud, so it's pretty quiet. I know people that might be interested in this also want to see the light function. There's a light button here. You can turn it on, so you actually can, I can see all, I know it's kind of hard on the screen here, but you can actually see all of the chicken or all of whatever you're cooking, so that's good. I do like that. Just wanted to show you real quick. Alright guys, here's the countdown, 3, 2, 1, and I can't see it, but there we go, and it beeps. On the top it says end, obviously, which means we are done. So what we're going to do is actually pull them out and take a quick look. Ooh, baby! Ooh, yeah! Hear that? That's crispy. Ooh, that is crispy good. You know what? Hey, we're gonna take these up top. I got a couple of things to mention, but those look absolutely amazing. Stick around because we're gonna try these, and I got a couple of more details for you. See you in a minute. All right, so we're finished with the cook and the review. I mean, the air fryer is super simple to use. The interface is really easy. Cleanup is really easy. Take the basket out. You can dishwasher, or put it in the dishwasher if you want. Not the unit, but the basket and all that. Or you can just wipe it out. It's all non-stick. So let's get into these dang wings. See if we can get you in here. But yeah. So, well, actually, let's try them. Woo. Crispy. Delicious. Mmm. 1 minute. All right, those are good, and you can see, they're cooked all the way through. It's still steaming hot, but cooked all the way through. Awesome. So I took some notes, things that I wanted to kind of touch on. So the first thing is, it does have the airflow, good airflow. So what I did to make sure it did have good airflow is, they want you to flip the chicken like halfway through. I didn't flip it. I just wanted to see how much flow that it actually had. And as you can see, I mean, it was crispy, cooked on all sides. So that's a good thing. The second thing is that it does actually go up to 450 degrees. I've had a lot of air fryers sent to me. Most of them go up to 400. There are some obviously that do go up to 450, but it does have that capability, and it has all the presets for dehydrating if you want to do beef jerky, or dehydrate your vegetables, make your own seasonings, stuff like that as well. Another note that I took here, because I just want to make sure to hit on this stuff, is the rest of the stuff, the built-in sensors and whatnot. It automatically shuts off and all that good stuff. I mean, at the end of the day, it's an air fryer. Would I recommend it? Yeah, it's a good cooker. Now, what it comes down to is you. It's your preference of the design, the look. You've seen it. It's quiet. It cooks good. So it's your preference of how it looks. Because it's most likely going to be sitting on your countertop. And is it, something, the design that you like and whatnot. And that's basically what it comes down to. I'm going to give it my approval for cooking. It is, it's legit. So yeah, it's your preference on the design, but it's a good cooker. So anyway, I will leave a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase one. Thank you, Dreo, for sending this out. I've had many other air fryers sent to me, and I never even do videos because they just are not that good. So anyway, with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook/review. Thanks for watching.